Imagine a star moving so fast it escapes the grip of the entire galaxy, flung out like a cosmic slingshot. These are hypervelocity stars, the runaway sun blazing across intergalactic space at mind-bending speed. Most stars orbit quietly in galaxies bound by gravity. The hypervelocity stars break the rules. They can reach speeds of over 2 million miles per hour, fast enough to leave the Milky Way forever. So what launches these stars into interstellar exile? The prime suspect, supermassive black holes. When a binary star system ventures too close to the black hole, at the galactic center, one star gets swallowed, and the other is hurled outward at incredible speed. It's the ultimate gravitational slingshot. Dozens of hypervelocity stars have been discovered in the Milky Way. Most are racing away from the galactic center, but some mysteries remain. A few appear to come from the outer disk or even other galaxies, suggesting multiple ejection mechanisms we don't yet fully understand. Collisions between galaxies can also launch stars into deep space. In fact, during galactic mergers, countless suns are ejected into the cosmic void, wandering without a home forever, drifting between galaxies. Studying these runaway stars isn't just about spectacle. They act like tracers, revealing the shape of our galaxy's dark matter halo and offering clues about the violent environment around the Milky Way's central black hole. Sagittarius AL, hypervelocity stars remind us that even suns can be exiled, flung from their galactic family, racing endlessly into the dark there. The rebels of the universe defying gravity itself. This is Parallel Paradigm, where we explore the strange and powerful phenomena that shape our universe. Subscribe and join us as we journey deeper into the mysteries of space